How can you use your computer remotely from your Meta Quest 3 or 3S headset? This is possible thanks to an application called Mixed Reality Link. Okay, so how can you get this up? So first of all, you have to press this button and select Remote Desktop. Now here you can also click on Manage Paired Devices. Mine is already connected. You can also explore settings, and you can select to show your keyboard. If your computer is not connected, you will have to click on Add Computer, Windows 11, and download the app, the Mixed Reality app. The link will direct you to the Microsoft Store, in which you can download this application, Mixed Reality Link. Then you will have to start it and pair it with your headset. With your headset, you will have to scan the QR code, and you will have to type on the keyboard the pairing code. As a small test, I opened the browser and I went to my YouTube channel, and I was able to select different display modes. For example, ultra-wide and standard. There is also a mode in which you can see your keyboard, your real keyboard. You go through pass-through, but only in the region of your keyboard. For example, here I can see it, and if I want to type something there, it's easier because I can clearly see the keys. Here as a test, I will play a video preview of one of my videos in the membership. So these are not public videos, are only available for members. And there are many vlogs and behind the scenes videos that are not public. It's a monthly membership and you can join here. What do you think about this feature? Let me know in the comments.